age is just a number. Katabi ko po ngayon ang 68-year-old dreamer who actually made it to the licensure exam for criminologist recently. 68 years old, Eugene. Eugene, bakit pinaglaban mo ang pangarap mo at the age of 68?
Because it's my passion. Magturo. Magturo, lalo na sa criminology student.
Mhm.
Gusto kong ibahagi ang aking kalaman.
Mhm. At hindi ka pwede magturo freely kung wala ka lisensya?
Yes po.
Okay. And you had been teaching for how many years of your life?
12 years, sir.
Okay. And hindi ba mahirap sa edad mo na sumabak sa isang board exam na tulad ng criminology na 30+% lang ang pumasa?
Mahirap po. Pero endurance, determinations, passion ko nga eh. Kaya tinutuloy ko.
Did you ever doubt that you'll make it in the board?
No.
Ilang beses kang kumuha para makuha itong
Third
lisensya?
time.
Third time. Your third time is with us, no? And
Even the second time, I'm with you.
okay, so you did not give up on your dream.
Yes.
And CBRC did not give up on you.
Yes.
The third scholarship you got is from CBRC. No? Ano yung most important lesson of victory na nakuha mo na in spite of third take and 68 years old ka na? Ano yung natutunan mo?
One is focus.
Mhm.
Focus on what you're doing.
Mhm.
Focus on everything.
Mhm.
Like your dream, paano mo ma-achieve, and everything. And the most, rely on the Almighty.
Alright, amen. And anong reaction mo nung nalaman mo, nakita mo pangalan mo, finally there?
Actually, it's not through reading.
Mm.
It's through a call.
Mm.
4 a.m.
Mm.
Nasabihin sa akin, actually mentor ko,
Pumasa ka daw.
si Sir Enzo.
Mm.
Sabi niya, hindi na kita gustong makita sa review center. Bahala ka na.
Mm. Mm.
Bahala ka na sa academe.
Okay.
Sabi ko, ano bang gusto niyang sabihin? 4 a.m. Anong gusto niyang sabihin? Another call or chat. Sabi niya, meron ka na ba na-receive? Anong marireceive ko? Last 4 pa lang.
Mm. Para ay mag-sink in.
Oo. Oo. Sabi ko, what? Sabi ko, ganyan. Another chat. Pasado ka na.
Mm.
Binigay na sa'yo ni Lord.
Mm. Ano reaksyon mo?
Bumuhos ang luha ko.
Talaga naiyak ka. Yeah.
Ang dami na recall, everything. Lahat ng puminta sa akin. Lahat ng instruction, parang bumalik sa isip ko. And you know what? Sabi ko, ay, Lord, binigay mo talaga. Actually po, to mention, akala ko hindi ko na ito mararamdaman. Akala ko hindi ko na ito mababalitaan. Because of the dark chocolate that I have eaten 2 days before the release of the exam. Nahilo ko.
Talaga?
Pero sabi ko, Lord, may assessment pa ako because I'm also an assessor trainer of TESDA. May assessment ako tumuro, tsaka hindi ko pa nare-receive. I haven't received the result yet. Sabi ko, God, please naman, huwag akong tutumba, cardiac arrest ito. So, ito happen, nalabanan ko. And then, bago ko matulog, sabi ko, Lord, kung kukunin mo na ako, please, huwag akong pabigat sa pamilya. Huwag mo na akong gisingin tomorrow. Eh, ginising niya ako. Yun na.
Yun na yung araw na yun.
After 2 days,
Wow.
bigla, victory. Sabi ko, Lord, whatever I have promised to you,
What did you promise?
Gagawin.
What did you promise?
I will shout to the whole world the kindness of the Almighty and the power. Pag sa Kanya ka, bibigay niya sa iyo. Ang matalino, the brightest, become bobo. Ang bobo, become matalino.
And of course, the 68-year-old became a registered criminologist. Yay!
I feel 30 years old.
Yeah! And your promise is to share and to teach. And I'd like to welcome you to the CBRC. Remember, nagkita tayo? Ano sabi ko sa iyo? Pass the board and you'll be my national.
I even
property.
mentioned that to the first interview that I had from CBRC,
Oo.
Nova.
Natandaan mo ang promise ko sa iyo.
Yes,
And today,
and
I'd like,
it becomes an inspiration to me.
Correct. And now,
That's why
now
I
the dream and the dreamer is one.
I even thought, sir, to be honest with you, you're just joking.
Of course, I'm not
I
joking.
even told that to
I'm a
my
gentleman.
mentor. But they said, no, that's not Dr. Carl. He has a one word.
Yeah. And, I had to do that because I needed to inspire you. Kasi at that time, you were full of doubt.
Yes.
And I knew that when I said that, sabi mo sa sarili mo, kung ako nagtitiwala, yung Carl Balita nagtiwala sa'yo, ikaw pa ba hindi magtiwala
Anong
sa sarili
nakita ng taong to?
Mm.
Sabi ko ganyan, binigay niya yung ganito.
Mm.
Same as when I was offered a scholarship by the CBRC.
Mm.
Kung
You know
kailan
what?
ako bumagsak ng 2 beses,
Tsaka ka binigyan ng
at saka
scholarship.
mo ako bibigyan ng
You know,
scholarship.
you want an answer to that question? What did we see in you?
Yeah.
The dreamer. Because
Thank you.
here, the dream and the dreamer become
Thank
one.
you very
And now
much.
you're one with the dream. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Thank you so much. Watch
Thank you
him.
din po.
More stories from him.
Thank you po.